what a funny match!
Hurrah!
Suddenly he found a door, never seen that place before. Golden handle shining bright, Gogo pushed it, filled with light. Welcome to the candy land, chocolate trees and jelly sand. Lollipops were big and tall, ice cream rivers for them all. Gogo laughed and ran around, sweetest place he ever found. But oh no, he ate too much, tummy hurt just from the touch. Too much sweets is not okay, Gogo learned that lesson that day. Then he saw a bunny cry, lost its home.